Ayan, magandang araw po sa ating lahat and welcome once again sa JDR 101. Today we're going to talk about New Year's resolution. So effective pa ba ang New Year's resolution? I have two answers for you. Of course, yes, kung meron kang goals and you plan to be committed to those goals and achieve them. No, kung meron kang goals pero wala ka naman plano. So if you have goals without any plans, then that is just wishful thinking. Napakaganda na magkaroon ka ng New Year's resolution, especially if you have goals that are smart. Ano ibig sabihin ng smart goals? So, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, pero kailangan syempre ma-stretch ka rin. R stands for realistic, again kailangan din ma-stretch ka, and T stands for time-bound. So, napaka-importante that when we actually go through this exercise, this process, meron tayong smart goals para maging effective ang ating New Year's resolution. So, paano ka nga ba mag-establish ng goal? Number one, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin for that particular year? At paano mo ba i-measure yung progress mo every month, every week, or every day, whatever is applicable? At syempre, maganda kung ang goals mo ay nakasulat, syempre, naka-plan out siya, nakalatag siya from January to December of that particular year, at meron ka syempre measurable outcomes, may mga milestones ka. Kung for instance, meron kang desire, let's say ikaw ay nasa 100 kilos, ang target mo is mag 80 kilos ka. So for, let's say, the month of January, gusto mong mag-lose, let's say, ng 4 or 5 kilos. So, ang target mo from 100 to 95 kilos for the month of January, so on and so forth. Siyempre, huwag natin nga kalimutan before you go through a goal that reduces your weight and makes you healthier, it's always nice na magpakonsulta tayo sa isang physician. Ano ba ang kailangan mo para ikaw ay maging successful para sa iyong New Year's resolution na ikaw ay merong smart goals? Number one, kailangan mo ng definitive decision. Kailangan kang mag-decide. Let's say ang goal mo ay magkaroon ka ng professional or personal development. Anong area ng buhay mo ang gusto mong ma-develop? Kailangan kang magkaroon ng goal. So from January to December and every month, let's say gusto mong maging better in terms of English grammar. So ano yung dapat mong gawin para gumanda yung ang ability mo o mag-increase ka sa ability mo for English grammar. So, syempre, kailangan kang mag-enroll ng course at matest mo yung sarili mo if you are improving or not. Marami rin syempre mga apps that you can actually use so that you may be able to self-audit your progress. So, isang example lang yon. Remember, decisive decision. Kailangan nagkaroon ka ng decision. I want to, be a better person for this year. Therefore, kailangan kong magdesisyon anong area ng buhay ko ang gusto kong ma-improve. Pangalawa, nakapag-decide ka na. Ano ang magpo-propel sa'yo para maging motivated ka na ikaw ay magiging successful for that particular goal? Kailangan mo ng discipline. Self-discipline. So, paano ba to? Ibig sabihin nito, doon sa goal mo, lalo na kapag ito ay stretch, syempre medyo may hirap yan. Meron kang pagbabago na behavior. Remember, tinuturuan mo yung sarili mo na gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi ka sanay gawin. So, what will happen? You've got to have that self-discipline na ma-enjoy mo yung journey, ma-enjoy mo yung change, ma-enjoy mo yung pain, ma-enjoy mo yung discomfort of coming out of your comfort zone. So for instance, ang gusto mong goal is to be a better leader. So anong gagawin mo ngayon to become a better leader? So you have to actually check out anong area ng leadership kailangan ka mag-improve. Let's say, confrontation. Yung ability to talk to a person about the truth regardless of the circumstance. So syempre, kailangan mo ng mga aid, mga educational materials, and above all else, maganda kung meron kang coach. Yes, napaka-importante ng coach if you want to develop your leadership capabilities. And of course, in general, magandang meron kang coach. So, huwag natin kakalimutan kung ikaw ay isang NBA fan, katulad ni Stephen Curry, meron siyang physical coach, yung trainer niya. Meron siyang shooting coach, kahit magaling na siya mag-shoot. Meron siyang coach to actually enhance his dribbling capabilities, yung skill set niya. Meron siyang psychological coach para lalo siya maging psychologically strong. So those are the things that you have to consider in terms of self-discipline. Kahit ayaw mong gawin, kailangan ka mag-decide na gawin mo, at kahit ayaw mo siyang gawin, inaamin mo sa sarili mo na wala kang capability or motivation for that day kasi hindi naman araw-araw masaya ka dun sa ginagawa mo, especially if it's going to be a change process. Ibig sabihin nito, you still enjoy the change. Kahit nahihirapan ka, you would enjoy the pain. Kahit nagkakaroon ka ng doubts, nag-i-enjoy ka pa rin doon sa pag-move forward mo. So paggising mo, napaka-importante na meron kang self-motivation, driven ka because you have the discipline to continue.